Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 102. And if we start with this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 covering here and a 1 covering here, so our 1 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 9, and no help here, 2, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. We've got the 3 and 7 here, so 2, 6, same here, 2, 6. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 6, 7. So that means the only place the 3 can be in that column is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 8, 1. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. And we can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this top row now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. Sorry, that's a really bad 3. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 7 here, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5 and 9, and if 5 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 1. And that 2 makes this our 9, 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.